Most people assume procrastination means you're lazy. In reality, it's usually a response to discomfort. When you sit down to study, your brain quickly evaluates the situation. And often it detects pressure instead of opportunity. 3 things typically trigger that reaction. First, uncertainty. Your brain wonders, what if this is too difficult? Second, self-evaluation. What if I'm not good at this? Third, mental effort. Long periods of concentration require a lot of energy, and the brain tries to conserve it. So the moment tension appears, the brain searches for quick relief. You check your phone. Grab a snack. Clean your desk. Scroll through something useful. It feels productive. But relief is not the same as progress. So what actually helps? First, manage your state before forcing productivity. Many people try to control behavior while ignoring their mental state. But when stress levels rise, the brain shifts attention away from deep thinking and toward easier activities. This makes focus harder. Before starting, take a minute or 2 to slow your breathing. Clear visual clutter from your desk. Place your phone somewhere out of reach. Then decide exactly where you will begin. A specific page. A specific exercise. Clarity lowers resistance. Second, measure results, not time. If you study for a short period, your brain can already feel satisfied just because you started. This creates the illusion of progress. Instead of tracking time, track output. For example, solve 15 practice questions, write 2 summary pages, review 1 full section. Clear outcomes help your brain recognize real completion. Third, make the task smaller. Large goals like study chemistry are too vague. The brain prefers clear boundaries. A better target might be, answer questions 1 to 8 on page 52. Small actions are easier to start. Once momentum builds, focus becomes more natural. Fourth, check the mindset behind your work. If you sit down already tired, distracted, or comparing yourself to others, studying feels heavier. Try reframing the task. Instead of, I have to do this, think, I'm practicing a skill. That shift changes how the brain interprets the effort. Fifth, stop waiting for motivation. Motivation comes and goes. Systems are more reliable. Create a simple starting ritual.
Same workspace, same water bottle, maybe the same instrumental music. Begin with the same small task each time. After repeating this pattern enough times, the routine itself becomes the signal to focus. The key idea is simple. Procrastination is rarely about character. Most of the time it's about how the brain interprets a task. When something feels unclear, overwhelming, or mentally expensive, avoidance becomes the easier option. But when the environment is calm, the first step is clear.